Hello and welcome back to yet another episode. In this episode we're gonna tackle the handbrake. It basically doesn't work. I need to figure out why, otherwise I can't pass the inspection. Basically in inspection they said I need to correct the headlights, the air suspension pneumo pillow thingies, the rear suspension is almost done, so need to fix that. Yeah, like I said, no exhaust, need to fix that, and then we're roadworthy and can enjoy our driving for a year at least. So from very beginning, if we take this cover off, we can inspect the wires. You can see there's this thing, and if we pull the handbrake, we can see that it pulls but kind of slightly to one side, so this end is kind of working somewhat. So now I'm gonna lift the car up, take the wheels off, and start, I guess, passenger side, so we can see if, I don't know if that works. Future me here, before you're gonna take off the wheels and kind of see in what state is your handbrake calipers and all that, pads I mean, you need to release the tension of the handbrake lines. So for that, get inside the car and take off this cover. I think you can do it just by pulling on it. So yeah, you just basically pull it. I took a screwdriver and helped it kind of pop out this upper side. This one held in real hard, but yeah, just kind of stretch it over, and you can see this part, the white one. You need to press it all the way in so it locks in place. In my case, the spring thing was already in and I needed to pop out the tensioner. But yeah, basically I will insert picture from book how to do that, but you press in with the handbrake down, you press the spring in so it fixates, then you adjust the wheel side, and already I feel that it's not 15 clicks, it's like 8. I need to get it down to 4. But yeah, that's it from this part. So back to the previous part. So now we have taken everything apart. Let's see if this moves. Yeah, as we saw, this moves, so it's not the wire issue. It's gonna be, I don't know, I will oil everything up, try to adjust so it's a bit more strength in it, has a bit more strength in it. I don't think those are in good condition. I think there need to be more, but yeah, let's see. So I greased everything up and needed to use a hammer to make this move. It still doesn't want to move at all. Yep. So I'm just gonna move this up and down a bit, and then I need to get the gearbox into neutral. I'll need to figure that situation out. And then gonna put back the disc and adjust the handbrake. So now we're in the car and we're gonna put this in neutral. If everything works as I think it should, you can do it with the dead battery. Currently I don't have the car turned on or the key inserted. So also I hope that the car won't fall off the jack. Who knows? Let's see. So the shifter, you just press down on this, get your fingers in there, just use your thumb to kind of give you leverage and pull it up. And no screws, no nothing. Okay, ooh, I have 1 cent. I have a cent there. Nice. Wait a minute, I need to get my money. Car is already paying for itself, as you can see. I'm happy. Into the other cents that I found under the seat. So, some cars have like protective mechanism here that you unscrew, but basically you see this little hole. Put in the screwdriver, put in something that you don't need to use anymore, and just pull down. As you can see, it goes through this little locking mechanism. So you just pull it through and the car is now in neutral. If you remove this screwdriver, it's gonna pop right back in and it won't be in neutral anymore. So let's see if that worked. As we can see, the wheel is turning. Everything is good. Nice. Nice. Now I just need to align this with this hole with this spool mechanism and tighten it so I can't move this the brake disc. The reason being is it's really rusted, so we'll need to kind of first drive around to get rid of the rust, and then it's gonna loosen up a bit. So after it loosens up, the real braking gonna start, the handbrake action. So at that point I don't want to remove the disc again and redo it. So let me tighten down this side, and then we're gonna move to the other side and check that side out. So same situation here, it looks like everything is rusted. We try to move it and adjust again. So the car is back together. Just put this back and easy as that. So we can still drive. What happens if actually I don't feel a thing. Let's try putting it in reverse and in neutral. Yeah, something happened. Maybe I need to kind of adjust it, but we'll see. For now, everything works. And there you have it. The handbrake is adjusted. I still feel like I will need to readjust it after a while because it kind of feels loose. It doesn't stop it as much as I would like it to. I don't know, maybe the car is heavy and it's normal for BMWs to have basically weak handbrake. I have no idea. Either way, the best part is that nothing is broken there. We kind of moved all the moving parts and kind of got it to work somewhat. It's still better than it was before. And yeah, now you know also how to do it at home. Obviously, trust professionals. Take your car to the service center or whatever. Or if you're broke like me, then, or you just love tampering with your car, then yeah, do it yourself. It's not that hard and you're gonna save a bit of money. So yeah, that concludes this episode and see you in the next one. Bye.